Hi friends, how are you all? So, in this video, I'm going to tell you the answers of LI. This is LI means life insurance. Life insurance point of sale person. So, I am telling you the answers of life insurance point of sale person certification test, which is powered by Mint Pro. Okay. So here are the answers. You can check out the general insurance answers as well. I will mention the link in the description, so you can go there and you can check out the general insurance answers as well. You will definitely pass out. And here are the life insurance certification answers. The first one is after sales service is not required after a customer buys insurance policy, whether it is true or not. This answer is true. Okay. And the second question is Mr. Pinto contracted pneumonia as a result of lying on wet ground after a horse riding accident. The pneumonia resulted in death of Mr. Pinto. What is the appropriate cause of the death? So that is horse riding accident. Okay. And the third question is how long is the free look-in period under a term insurance policy from the date of receipt of the policy document? So this answer is 15 days. Okay. And the fourth answer, the question is the concept of insurance involves a transfer of, so that is risk. And the fifth question is prospecting in an insurance sale is, so which is prospecting in an insurance sale? So it's a gathering the name of people who may be interested in insurance. Okay. And we go to next question. And the sixth question answer, first we'll read the question, which among the following is not a characteristic of ethical behavior? So the answer is placing self-interest ahead of client's interest. So this is the answer. And the next question is very often ULIPs are compared with. So ULIPs are compared with money back plans. Okay. And the eighth question is what is KYC? So KYC means know your customer. And next question is insurance companies usually add a dash at the end of the proposal form to be signed by the proposer. So that is feedback form and declaration form. Okay. They will add those both things. And the question next question is the person nominated to receive policy money in the event of death of life insured. uh, Give me a moment. Okay, event of death of life assured is called. So he is a nominee. The person nominated to receive money. Who will receive money? The nominee will receive money. And the next question is dash is the first stage of documentation. When we are doing documentation, so the first stage is premium. And the full form of IRDAI. So this is very important. This is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Here they have given insurance regulator also, but it's insurance regulatory. Okay, remember it. And the next question, tax benefit on paying life insurance premium is received in which section of income? So in which section? That is 80C. And the next question is a whole life policy is, so it's all of the above. And the 15th question here, plans of insurance that provide only death cover are called, they are pure endowments. Okay. What is POSP? Here it's already written. POSP means point of sales person. Which service is most intangible? So that is a insurance. A policy is referred to have matured when policy term, it's when we'll call it as mature means when the policy ends. Okay. And the next question is payment of premium in advance is stipulated in section dash of Insurance Act 1938, that is 64 VB. And the 20th question is premium is a price for coverage of, it's a risk price. Okay. And the next question is a life policy under a percentage of sum assured is paid on survival. Every fixed interval can be every 5 or 10 years is called, it's called a term insurance policy. Dash shall mean the right of insurer to assume the rights of insured person to recover expenses paid out under policy that may be covered from any other source is called subrogation. The principle of utmost good faith means it's telling the whole truth. Okay. And 24th question is dash means keeping client interest uppermost in mind, that is unethical selling. Okay. And the 25th question is riders are additional benefits guaranteed on payment of either extra premium or extra package. Okay. A ULIP plan is a combination of both insurance protection and investment. Okay. And the 27th question is there is no dash element in terms of insurance policy, that is saving. We don't have any saving thing, you know. And 28th question is dash means that the proposer has the legal duty to disclose all material information about subject matter of insurance to insurer who is not having that information, that is utmost good faith. And 29th question is dash is a condition which increases the probability of loss, that is hazard. And the 30th question is risk means possibility of it is loss. Okay. And now we will review and submit the test. Here we will review all the questions whether we have answered or not. We have answered all the questions, and here we have submit test button. We will click this one. So here you can see congratulations, you have passed the exam. Please download the certification from Mint Pro account my certification. Okay, please do subscribe my channel, and I'll also release a video on general insurance as well. Thank you.